Hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of day 3 of Reading Comprehension. So we've been working on clues to figure out who kidnapped reading. And while we're doing this, it is fun, but it also is reading comprehension. You're actually having to read a story and answer questions about it. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds here. We get to learn and have a little fun. If you figured out yesterday's clue, congratulations. The second clue is that the kidnapper is clever. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our possible suspect list, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight in red anyone who is not clever. Because the kidnapper is clever, I'm going to go ahead and highlight anyone who is not clever. See if any of your ideas, any of your predictions get eliminated today. All right, Captain Hook says clever. Robin Hood says clever. Cogsworth says clever. Man, a lot of them are clever. But the Ruby, oops, I'm still on Zoom here. That's not good. All right, Ruby, the Queen of Hearts, does not have clever as a trait. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that one in red because she cannot be it. Gingy, the Gingerbread Man, is clever. Grumpy is clever. Rumpelstiltskin is clever. Lumiere is not clever. He's polite, tidy, energetic, and thoughtful. Boom. The Big Bad Wolf is cruel, sly, strong, and energetic, so he's not clever. Man, we're eliminating a lot today. Okay, and then we have Hansel, who is clever. So, I wonder if it would be easier if I deleted these ones. The people that we have left are Captain Hook, Robin Hood, Cogsworth, Gingy, Grumpy, Rumpelstiltskin, and Hansel. So we have 3 more days of clues to figure this out. Let's go ahead and look at today's clues. Okay, so today's location that we're going to visit is the Pat a Cake Bakery. So you kind of have to visualize this in your mind, kind of like a movie. You enter the Pat a Cake Bakery. It is full of customers. Mike the Muffin Man and Granny Smith are working as fast as they can to serve everyone. While waiting to speak with Mike and Granny, you take a little look around the shop. You observe or see the following things. You see green iced Christmas tree cookies for sale. Ooh. All right, now here's the conversation. Mike the Muffin Man says, I hope you don't need too many of those green tree cookies. I've almost sold out today. I have no more flour in the kitchen, so I won't be doing any more baking until tomorrow. Oops, Granny says, that's because someone bought most of them. Sorry, Detective, I cannot identify the person who bought all these cookies because my eyesight is a bit fuzzy, but I do remember that she was wearing a black cloak. Ooh, that he or she was wearing a black coat. I thought it said she, but it was he or she. Mike the Muffin Man says, as you can see, Detective, we are all very busy with customers at the moment, so we can't discuss the case with you. We have a surveillance camera in the corner over to your left. You are welcome to view the recordings in the kitchen room. You might be able to discover a clue about the cloaked mystery character. It sounds like they might be the kidnapper you are looking for. Granny Smith says, if it helps, the person with the large order for the green ice cream tree cookies came into the shop early this morning, sometime between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So that was your conversation at the Pat a Cake Bakery. Now, just like yesterday, you're going to have 2 ways that you can get to your next clue. You can either do the missing letter button, the missing letter questions. They're cause and effect. So remember, a cause is something that happens, and the effect is what happens because of it. So you're going to have to use the text to fill in the letters to get to the clue down here. So there is blank, blank, blank in the kitchen. So I'm going to have to go back to that sentence and look for there is blank, blank, blank in the kitchen. I have no more flour in the kitchen. So there is no, so I put an O right here. And then down here, where it says 1, I would type in the letter, no, not 0, O, like that. And then when you get all done, it'll give you your next clue. Or I'm going to have 4 comprehension questions on a Google form, and you can get to that by moving this moose right here, or this reindeer, caribou, and clicking on the Google form link. Or again, you can do slide 4. You do not need to do both of them, but I am going to hide them with this reindeer because I'm not having a ton of people actually watching the videos still, so I appreciate it if you're still listening to me right now. I try to make them short and sweet. Can't always make them short and sweet, but I do try. So again, to get to this, we gotta make the reindeer really big to hide it. Boop. Boop. There we go. And if you want to do this page, you click on this and just push delete, and it will delete for you. Alright, so you have a choice on how to solve this with the Google form or doing slide 4. It's totally up to you. And then we can see if we can eliminate more suspects tomorrow. Make a prediction. Who do you think did it? Who do you think is the culprit? Great job today, guys.